This was very easy to install with easy to understand instructions. I will say make sure you have the device very close to the garage door motor. It has to be close in order to sync up. I bought this for my children so they wouldn't have to keep track of a key when they come home from school. Very simple and they can work it without any issues. This keypad remote works great with my Chamberlain with the orange Learn button. It looks great, easy to program, has illuminated keys to see at night, and you can set temporary passcodes. If the battery dies, it's easy to replace and it will not lose its programming. The only downside so far is that lid does slide completely off the unit if you aren't careful. This can be fixed by placing a screw or nail above the unit. Green arrow in photo, which acts as a stopper.